Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see question number 7 of exercise 1.3a from class 10th optional math. Before starting this video, I hope you people have watched my previous video where I completed question number 6 of the same exercise, and plus I hope you people have already subscribed my channel, and if not then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends so that they too can get benefited from my video. So in question number 7 we have two parts. Let's start doing it with the first part. Now the first part is, I have already written the question, so you can read over here, and if in case you have book then you can open your book and read the question from there also. In question number 7 first part, the question is saying an arithmetic sequence has 7th term minus 22 and 10th term minus 34. Find the first term and common difference. Here the first thing that we have to do is we have to write what is being provided. Okay, solution given E7 given T7 is equals to minus 22. Okay, T7 is equal to minus 22 implies we can write, in place of T7 we can write A plus 6D equals to minus 22, right? So this is A plus 6D equals to minus 22 implies, now what we can write is A is equals to minus 22 minus 6D. When we transfer this 6D to right hand side, then it becomes negative of 6D, right? This is equation number 1. Also one more thing is given, that is 10th term is minus 34. T10 is equals to minus 34 implies we can write A plus 9D in place of T10, and this is equal to minus 34, right? Now this is equals to, okay, implies in place of A we can write minus 22 minus 6D from equation 1, right? So in place of A we are writing minus 22 minus 6D plus 9D equals to minus 34. Now this is equals to, we have to simplify the left hand side. Here minus 6D plus 9D is, this is minus 22 and this is 3D equals to minus 34, right? Now after this we have 3D equals to minus 22, when shifted to right hand side it gives minus 34 plus 22 implies 3D is equals to minus 12, right? Minus 34 plus 22 is minus 12 implies what we get is D equals to, when this 3 is shifted to right hand side then it simply divides minus 12 and it gives, okay, implies D is equals to 4 times of 3 is 12, which is equal to minus 4, right? D is simply equals to minus 4. We have just found the value of common difference, which is represented by D. Now to find the value of A, simply put this value in equation 1. Now A equals to minus 22 minus 6 and this is minus 4. In place of D, which this substituted the value D equals to minus 4. Now this is equals to minus 22 and this is minus into minus is plus, 6 4 24, right? Implies A is equals to 2. So this is the value of first term. So the value of first term is 2 and that of common difference is minus 4. So this is really this is not easy, or we can say that this is a medium type of question. And if you have understood this first part, then the second part is of similar type. So if you want to try, you can just pause the video and try it by yourself, and after that you can match your answer with mine. Now what question number part 2 is saying, is an arithmetic sequence has fifth term 11. Okay, the fifth term of given AP is 11 and ninth term is 19. Find the first term and common difference. Here again solution. Okay, given T5, okay, fifth term is equals to 11, implies in place of T5 we can write A plus 4D equals to 11, right? Implies we get A equals to 11 minus 4D. So this is equation 1. Also one more thing is given, which is also T9 is equal to 19. T9, ninth term is equals to 19, implies we can write A plus 8D equals to 19, implies in place of A we can write 11 minus 4D from equation 1. So writing the value 11 minus 4D in place of A, we get 11 minus 4D plus 8D equals to 19, right? Now this is implies equals to 11, this is minus 4D plus 8D, which is equal to plus 4D equals to 19. Now if we simplify this one, 4D equals to, when this 11 is transferred to right hand side, it simply gets subtracted from 19 and give us 4D equals to 8, right? 19 minus 11 is 8, implies D is simply equals to 8 by 4, which is equals to 2, that is D is equals to 2. So we have just found the value of common difference, which is 2, right? Now again, to get the value of A, we just have to put this value in equation 1. Now putting value of D in 1, we get, okay, now on putting the value of D in 1, that means equation 1, we get A is equals to 11 minus 4 multiplied by 2, right? D is 2, implies A is equals to 11 minus 8, which is equals to 11 minus 8 is 3, right? So the value of A is 3. Therefore the question is asking us to find the value of first term and common difference. The value of first term is A equals to 3 and that of common difference is 2, right? We have just completed the two parts. Okay, that means question number 7 from the 1.3a exercise of class 10th optional. I hope this video was useful or you understood the solution easily. So at last I would say that to get such type of problem or such type of solution of your book or from any other class book, you can simply subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification whenever I upload such videos. Till then, study hard, keep practicing and take care of yourself. See you in next video.